Welcome, my name is Claude. I am a civil engineer from Rwanda. Today we are going to see how a beautiful house can be built in a lot, not more than 150 square meters. This building was designed with the purpose of showing that a small plot can be of use, and also that renting house can be customized to a suitable and luxurious house complex and can accommodate all type of people from local to expatriates. Hope you will like my project. Subscribe for more and kindly note that I help you with the designs till the building permit approval from City of Kigali One Stop Center.